Hello guys, good morning, welcome to my vlog. I'm here in WTC. Just need to check something. Uh, I don't have place to go this morning, that's why I'm walking around here in the mall, inside the mall because it's very hot outside. Instead of walking outside, I'm walking around here in the mall so that I can exercise my legs. Also my legs is sometimes spinning because of the blood circulation is not good. All my babies. I need to check something. See, WTC Mall. I need to. Yeah. I forgot which floor is that.